One cold winter morning, a young deer named Lolly woke up to find strange footprints outside her cave. They were huge, much bigger than any animal she had ever seen in the forest. Curious, Lolly began to follow them. The prints led through the snowy trees, across the frozen river, and deep into a silent valley. Suddenly, the footprints stopped. There was no animal in sight, only an open patch of snow, and her own footprints behind her. But then Lolly noticed something terrifying. New footprints began to appear, right next to her, one by one, and there was no one there making them. In panic, Lolly decided to run, her hooves pounding against the soft snow as the chilling realization of being followed sank in. The sound of her heartbeat echoed in her ears as she sprinted faster, the mysterious footprints continuing their relentless pursuit behind her. Finding refuge in a dense thicket, Lolly crouched low, hoping to blend in with the snow-covered branches as she listened for the footsteps closing in.